name is Steven Gimalik. I am taking a Bachelor of Science in Custom Administration. What technology do you think will have the greatest impact on the society in the next 20 years?
For me, the technology that have the greatest impact on society in the next 20 years is the AI, or we call artificial intelligence.
What social, ethical, or environmental issues do you foresee raising with this technology?
AI technology brings incredible potential, but it also comes with significant social, ethical, and environmental concerns. In social issue, it may come in AI can have a job displacement, bias and discrimination, misinformation and surveillance. In ethical issues, AI have an issue that autonomy and consent, transparency. Why AI can called a transparency? Because many AI systems are black boxes, meaning their decision-making processes are not easily understood. This makes accountability difficult. And last is the manipulation. AI AI algorithms can manipulate consumer behavior or political opinions through targeted ads or personalized content. In environmental issues, it may comes in energy consumption. Why? Energy consumption, AI models requires immense computations power, which consumes a significant amount of energy and contributes to carbon emission. Number two is e-waste. Why e-waste in AI connected in environmental issues? Because rapid technologies advancement lead to frequent hardware upgrade, increasing electronic waste. And the last is the resource depletion. Why? Because the production of hardware components like GPUs relies on finite resources such as rare earth metals. Balancing these concerns while continuing